As faze logo here, we're gonna do a reaction to the faze rain diss track official music video.
Yeah.
You look like a liar. Probably thinks you're full of.
Yeah.
Dang it!
I don't want to be one of those full of people that just say, "Oh yeah, sure, I'll do it, I'll do it."
Yeah, call my people.
Yeah. And then my people say no when I say yes.
Your mom is nuts. I really hope she doesn't turn you into MC Hammer. Kim's career.
Hold up. Okay.
Chris.
Is that
literally like,
good?
She murdered you in the head. She didn't even tell you that she was canceling your paycheck.
There we go. Oh shoot!
Mom, why did you tell Mike that
Bruh.
I'm doing a party at Tao? Kim, you work 364 days a year. It's like
This is some real.
your birthday. Kim makes it
look up to you.
your birthday celebration.
I look up to you, man.
She's got to be on the stage.
I was your biggest fan.
Carpet, she's got to do a
Thought you were the man.
stay for a
Over
certain
the
amount
mill
of time.
subs you make. You probably think you should be broke back class. Cool, man, I get it. Then you join Lady Nation. At least you're making better than your PlayStation. That's right, you suck at COD. Your skills have decreased and you can't even hit a quad. Like I'll take you in a 1v1 any day.
And I'll kick your ass from under with my man Faze K. Shapes, man, hold your corny. Shapes, man, I'm not
Always
doing
on, like that time you played porn through the speakers. You wear Crocs.
This is some sneakers. Let's get back to the point.
Read some of the shit that you said, man. Like, what is it, Ken? What's
Between your legs, when you sit like that, do you even have legs? Shapes.
Verbally saying yes, I'm doing my birthday.
Nah, you got twisted. Like, nah.
Make that shit a listen now.
Listen up here to this monologue. You roasted me
I got no time
for games dick. Like, bro.
Your dick is shorter than Apex.
Go to Vegas. Yeah. That's not who you are.
Faze Rain, if you're watching this, you suck and you just got roasted by Faze Blaziken. Shout out to Faze Blaziken
We're gonna bring the G.
and the dope camera work. Sorry, my phone fell.
Trust me. Okay, so
Wow, that was the best roast ever.
you're not.
If you guys want to check out my channel, this is it right now. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So yeah, tell me if you guys want to react to another song. Leave a comment below. There's in the description. So yeah, peace.